Have you ever bought daily essentials like coffee, protein powder, sugar-free sweetener, or soap, or anything like that, just to find out the price has dropped by 50 rupees the very next day? It's very frustrating, right? Price for these daily items fluctuates a lot. One day you'll see it's 300, the next day it will be 240, and again maybe the next day it will be 320. So it's very hard to, catch the lowest price because it's not possible for everyone to open the app every single morning and to check if the price has decreased or not. So I thought to automate it, okay, so that I don't have to manually open the app every day, and I can catch the lowest price and I can buy the item when the price is down. So I tried it just for fun and as a learning experiment, and I'll show you the complete details in this video. So what I've done, I've kind of built a bot, okay, so that will monitor the price, and I have set a target value or price. So whenever the price of that specific item goes below that point or the value, okay, it will send me an email notification with the link, okay. And the best part is it does not involve any kind of cost. It's totally free of cost. And I have not also coded it by myself. I have used Google Gemini for the steps and the code as well. So watch this video till the end. I'll show you the complete steps. So first thing I did, I went to Gemini and written this prompt that I want to create a zero cost automated system to monitor the price of a product on Flipkart. The reason I'm modifying the price to 500, I'll show you later. I have selected a product and the price of that product fluctuates a lot. And in the product link section, you need to give the product link. I'll show you that as well. Later also you can give, but let's do it now only. Let me show you the product. So from there I'll copy the link. Complete link I'll copy from the URL, and let me paste it here beside the product link. Okay, yeah, it's done. Let me quickly explain the approach. Since we want to build this completely for free, Gemini suggested using Google Cloud, so your computer doesn't need to stay on and it connects directly to your Gmail. We'll use Google Sheets for the details and Google App Script to run the code. Next, let's see why I selected that product. My bad, I misspelled price. Let me paste the link here and let's search. Now let's scroll down and I'll show you the lowest price and the average price. If you see the graph, how the price moves, you can see, right? See the highest, average and lowest price, how it moves. So it fluctuates a lot. Okay. Now we have to open a new Google Sheet and fill the necessary details. I'll show you now that as well. Here you go. I have opened a new Google Sheet. Now next I'll explain what details are required. Okay, so in the first cell A1 we need to provide the link. Okay, so it's currently customized only for Flipkart. Okay, so I pasted the link already. Let's modify the price to 500. In C1 we need to give the target email, and in B we need to give our own email address. So in my case both are same. Next we need to give the code. Okay, so we have to go to extensions and then app script we need to click, and here we need to paste the code what Gemini provided. And one more thing, if Gemini has asked to provide the email address in cell C1, then it must be entered only in C1 only, because the code is written to read the value from that cell. So I already had the code, so I just copied and pasted it here. But it will not work, it will give an error. Let me run it and show you. Now next let me click on the run, and this step takes some time, so I'll fast forward the video. So here you go, you see execution completed but with errors. Now next I'll explain what is this error and how to get rid of this. So when I faced the error for the first time, what I did, I just copied this error whole message and pasted it in Gemini. Let's see what Gemini suggested. So as per Gemini, the error site is overloaded confirms that Flipkart has blocked Google servers from accessing their site. This is common anti-bot defense because the request comes from a known Google Cloud IP address. Flipkart assumes it's a robot and shows a fake overloaded error. To fix this for zero cost, we need to route the request through a free proxy service that makes the request looks like it's coming from a real person's browser, not a server, like Scrapper API. So if you're using Scrapper API for the first time, then you have to sign up at first. I already have the account because I created previously, so I'll just open that. So here you go, this is how the portal looks like. So if you see at the right corner there is API key, so you need to copy that, and next you need to paste it on cell E1. Now next we have to update the new code that Gemini has provided. I will copy the code and paste it now. Let's see, I already have a backup of that code, so I'll go and copy it from there. And here you go, I copied it, and now let's go ahead and paste it. And yes, I have pasted it, and let's see. Now let's run it once again. As usual, it takes some time, and let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it started running and it's completed now. See, the execution this time completed successfully, but this time no notification was triggered because previously I set the target price as 500. Okay, but the current price of the product is 584. Now next let's set the target price as 600. Okay, and again we'll try to execute the code. So it's done. I have updated it. So once again, now let's execute the code. So I've executed it and let's see what happens now. So it's completed successfully and see the message alert sent to email. So here you go, email received. Let me click on the link for you and see it opened the product page. So whatever target price you have saved, when the price comes below that value, automatically email will be triggered. And one more thing, as per Gemini, if you're using the free plan, you usually get 1000 requests or credits per month. So please don't run this every minute. That's unnecessary and can overload a website. This setup is created for learning and educational purpose. So use automation responsibly, respect website policies and avoid excessive or aggressive staffing that could impact Flipkart or any other websites. By the way, before showing you the next part, if you're still watching the video, I hope you found it worth your time. So please do like the video and subscribe the channel. I keep bringing this type of helpful content for you all. So next most important part is how we can automate the execution. We should not go ahead and execute the code manually every time, right? So I'll show you now how you can schedule it based on your requirement. So to schedule it, at the left side you have to go to the option triggers. Next you have to click on add trigger. Select the event source as time driven. Next here you can set the timer based on minute, hour or day, week or month as well. Also you can set a specific time when you want to execute this code automatically. Next you just need to save it, it will be done. For now I'll cancel it because I already have a trigger. Let me quickly open it as well for you. So this is how you can set the trigger. And in case you want to stop the trigger, just select the trigger and delete it. So yeah, these AI tools are pretty cool, right? So this is how it was done. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So that's it for today. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel so that you get notifications when I bring such videos for you. We'll meet again very soon. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.